All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome back. You all had a good weekend. I'm going to go ahead and share with you what's in Canvas for this week. So it's all about 4.5. This is the final lesson in Unit 4 that we're doing. So we did 4.3, which was multiplying and dividing rational expressions. 4.4, which was adding and subtracting rational expressions. We did a couple weeks of review. So hopefully everybody's feeling pretty comfortable with the last, well, I guess it was 4 weeks, right? This week we'll be doing solving rational equations. So now instead of just kind of taking some information and basically simplifying it down as much as possible, now we're actually going to solve for that variable. So we'll have 1 week of this, and then we'll talk on Thursday about next week's test. So for this week, we've got the interactive textbook here, the link, the pages we're on, all that kind of stuff. Don't forget, if you still want to get a hard copy textbook, like an actual textbook, just go to Timberline, walk in. I'm not really sure how the process works, but I'm assuming you just go to the office, tell them you're there to pick up a textbook. Maybe they'll run and get it for you. Maybe they'll send you up to the library. I don't know. But you're more than welcome to go do that at any point throughout the normal school hours, which I think is 7 to 2:30, right? Practice problems. Make sure you're doing these. I'm getting questions from people and I'm like, oh, it's just like practice problem number 7 or whatever, right? And then they're like, well, I didn't do that. And they're already in the vocab concepts in the check-in. Don't forget, the order of how all this stuff works is you're walking yourself through the material, you're looking through the textbook, or you're watching my video tutorial, right? That's just like you going to class and watching me teach something. So in this video tutorial, I'm going through concepts and vocab and examples and blah, 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 right? It's like a lesson. Then jump into the practice problems. Same thing, this video tutorial, I'm going through all the practice problems that you need to do. So you can follow along with me if you'd like, or you can do them on your own. Then you can do vocab and concepts and check in, right? That's designed for the end. The more people I talk to, the more I feel like they're just jumping right into vocab concepts and check-ins. And that's not really working for them. So make sure you're learning the material before you try to show that you're learning the material. Extra practice, that's mainly there for next week when we start testing. You can go back and look at some fresh problems. That's kind of nice to do. Or you could do it during the week. It's up to you. Vocab concepts and check-in, both of these are due Sunday, March 14th at 11:59 p.m. Don't forget to have your book out for this. Solutions manual, this is for everything in that lesson. So even practice problems that are in the tutorial part, like the text part of it, even ones that are outside the practice problem section, all of those answers, all the solutions are right here. So while you're doing these practice problems, have that solutions manual open. We've already talked about the video tutorial, so that's there for you if you need it. I'm going to let the late people in. Feel free to unmute yourself and ask any questions that you have. All right, I'm going to hang back and talk with people. I'm here for you if you need me. If you're good to go and you want to spend the next 40 minutes working on math, please do so. Get busy, knock this stuff out. Email me if you have any questions. I'm here for you. Take care. I'll see you on Thursday. Zach, Lucas, questions? Armani, I know you just joined in. I'm going to have this video uploaded to Canvas in probably 5 or 10 minutes whenever we wrap up, so you can check it out and see what you missed. It's basically just going over what we have for the week. Nothing really new. Armani, any questions for you?